Hi, I am with Panara. I am from Jamnagar. Currently, I am junior consultant at Rising Capital Group, Gift City. I enjoy connecting with people, learning about business, helping create opportunity for growth. I am passionate about finance, client engagement, and continuous learning. My internship was a great start to my career in finance industry. When I joined Rising Capital Group, has been one of the most valuable learning experience of my MBA journey. From the very beginning, I was involved in real consulting assignment under IFSCA that give me practical exposure to financial sector. Then I got real world project on consulting that was hands-on experience and very high impact even today. Rising Capital Group has been my favorite workplace because it provides an environment where I could learn, contribute and grow every day. Thank you.